Ever feel like your attention span is being hijacked? You sit down to work, but suddenly you are mindlessly scrolling through Instagram or TikTok. Social media has rewired our brains for quick dopamine hits, making focus feel nearly impossible. But here's the good news. In the next 100 seconds, I will show you how to reset your attention, and it's simpler than you think. Picture your brain as a camera lens. When you zoom in on one subject, everything becomes sharp and clear. But if you keep switching focus like jumping between apps, the image will get blurry. I remember a late night when I was deep into a design project, yet every notification felt like a tiny explosion in my brain, pulling my focus away. Social media is an endless series of these distractions, draining our mental energy. To fix this, you need to lock in on one thing at a time, just like a camera staying zoomed in is essential for clarity. You don't need hours to regain your focus. I battled distractions too, until I discovered a game-changing hack called the 2-minute rule. I'll explain how it works. You know, the hardest part of any task is not the task itself, it's simply starting. That's why the 2-minute rule is so powerful. Set a timer and commit to focusing on one thing for just 2 minutes. No phone, no distractions, just 2 minutes. I once had a daunting script to write. I set the timer, and before I knew it, I had been writing for an hour. This trick will help you overcome that initial resistance that we all face. While the 2-minute rule helps you to kickstart your focus, distractions can still sneak in. If your phone buzzes or a thought pulls you away, that's where the 4-7-8 breathing technique comes in. It's a quick reset button for your brain to regain concentration. Here is how the 4-7-8 breathing technique works. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold till 7, and exhale at 8. Let's do it together. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. This simple practice activates your parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and calming your mind. I use this before important calls or tasks, and the relief is instant. It's like wiping the fog off a window and allowing clarity to shine through. Do this for at least 2 minutes and see the magic. So, what is your biggest distraction? Is it your phone, endless notifications, or racing thoughts? Try the 2-minute rule or the 4-7-8 breathing technique the next time your focus starts to slip. Imagine how accomplished you will feel afterward.